Welcome to Running Deer Outdoors. Happy New Year. Today we're gonna set up my TP tent, my hot tent. So get it all out, start getting set up. Let's get to it. All right, come with me. So this is the Makito 4 to 6 person TP hot tent from Amazon. Very spacious from what I'm seeing. I didn't expect it to be this big. This is the tent we are taking on our trip, me and Christopher. Whenever that is, we will keep everybody posted. But that's going to be an exciting trip. My first time winter hot tent camping. But here's our hot tent. Lots of space. What do you think? Is it beanie approved? Yeah? We're gonna go camping. We are Running Deer Outdoors. My name's Zach. This here's Dixie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If you're gonna laugh at us, at least hit the subscribe button. Give us something to benefit off of. We'll catch you guys later.